Who are sure what you do? They still deport you, join them. You the open mouth they talk. Are you the open mouth they talk? You know the shame.
You make any move, I will ban you from my domot. One time, you know, as I tell they banned you. Foolish drug dealer. Idiot, ex-convicts.
Hey, baby, drug dealer. Swear say you not chop the money from the drug. Swear say you not chop the money and your children not chop the money. Just swear.
They pay you. Saga, they pay you. Now you first start to. Saga, they pay you. You will never start to. You want to arrest her. You want to arrest her, do it. You want to keep her for prison. You get money to spend for Nigeria, Abi. Get ready. Do it. 48 hours, we are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. When you came on social media to saga me and saga my daughter, you don't know how saga they be for Bodiba. Now, you don't cry, they never start. Why now? When they talk, you know they speak, you know they tell Eliab, say, post the video, post the audio, post and so you not do, na so you not do. Who call you enter? Who call you put? Who call you put? Your ear will be like a monkey ear, goat ear. So if I won't buy you for Europe, they talk nonsense. Why you not carry your mother come abroad till now? Why you not carry your mother come abroad? How many people you don't carry come Europe? Stupid entity. You never start to dey cry. The major thing be say you no go ever see Deja. You no go ever touch her. And if you make any move, I will ban you from my domot. One time, you know as I tell they banned you. Foolish drug dealer. Idiot, ex-convicts.
Wanna see true definition of frustration.
I bet play the second one for me.
Play the second one. Mabel, you are so shameless. Your shame, they shame me. Your second husband sees. Who is on your side? Nobody.
Hey, baby, drug dealer. Swear say you not chop the money from the drug. Swear say you not chop the money and your children not chop the money. Just swear.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, this KO family matter, it all dey pass through me. I no understand, like, what did they happen? What did they play? Mabel, since Osifo don't go settle with his wife back, may you rest. May you rest, because this matter now it all dey pass through me. It not gonna go the way it be for her again. You understand? Now safe. Osifo and the papa that's here now, they even they gang up together against you now. May you rest. You don't lose the man, you don't lose the man. The man deal with you, you don't know the value. You don't say it's easy to see man like Osifo. You go to support you for your social media. They encourage you. You can't tear up, wear clothes like woman, they support you, they do everything. You don't say easy. You know easy, you know easy, You understand? So maybe they do things well. You understand? Maybe they do things well. You know? So the thing like they shocktalize me. If they behave like this, they really shocktalize me, you know. So maybe you just try, make you they behave well. Make everything day okay for you. You understand? Make everything day okay. May you rest. May you rest. You don't lost the man, you don't lost them. It's not coming back to you again. It's not coming back. Oh, may you rest there. You know they come back again. You don't lose them, you don't lose them. You understand? You don't lose them, you don't lose them. So maybe we just rest. What did happen? It already happen. What did happen? Don't happen, It don't happen. So maybe you just rest there. All those kind videos what you can't do now, they cry. For me, it don't make sense again at all. It don't make sense again. Osifo don't go. It don't go. Osifo say don't find love.
Who are sure what you do? They still deport you, join them. You the open mouth they talk. Are you the open mouth they talk? You know the shame.
You make any move, I will ban you from my domot. One time, you know, as I tell they banned you. Foolish drug dealer. Idiot, ex-convicts.
Hey, drug dealer. Swear say you not chop the money from the drug. Swear say you not chop the money and your children not chop the money. Just swear.
They pay you. Saga, they pay you. Now you first start to. Saga, they pay you. You will never start to. You want to arrest her. You want to arrest her, do it. You want to keep her for prison. You get money to spend for Nigeria, Abi. Get ready. Do it. 48 hours. We are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. When you came on social media to saga me and saga my daughter, you don't know how saga they be for Bodiba. Now, you don't dey cry. They never start. Why now? When you they talk, you know they speak. You know they tell Eliab say, post the video, post the video, post the audio, post and so you not do, so you not do. Who call you enter? Who call you put? Who call you put? Your ear will be like a monkey ear, goat ear. So if I won't buy you for Europe, they talk nonsense. Why you not carry your mother come abroad till now? Why you not carry your mother come abroad? How many people you don't carry come Europe? Stupid entity. You never start to dey cry. The major thing be say you no go ever see Deja. You no go ever touch her. And if you make any move, I go ban you from my domot. One time, you know as I tell they banned you. Foolish drug dealer. Idiot, ex-convicts.
Wanna see true definition of frustration.
I bet please come over from me.
Play the second one. Mabel, you are so shameless. Your shame, they shame me. Your second husband sees. Who is on your side? Nobody.
Hey, drug dealer. Swear say you not chop the money from the drug. Swear say you not chop the money and your children not chop the money. Just swear. Say who they talk. I not do a shower. You went to a shower for Holland, you still go president, still deport you. Till now, they never deport me. They never deport me at all. I still did. Say who after you do who a shower you do, they still deport you, join them. You the open mouth they talk. Are you the open mouth they talk? You know the shame. You know the shame at all. You know they pay me. Just that I should choke her mouth inside the matter. I won't let her know say that Nigeria anywhere where she did. Now people get that country. You go here, not be 48 hours I tell you. Me go arrest them at the grace. Why I go arrest them? I know they arrest them, but she go use her mouth tell you waiting her eye see. You say they pay me, waiting they pay me. If you like, carry the whole of my village come out for social media. I know they even say if not be say maybe earlier just send me waiting. I get time to go social media waiting concern me. If you like, carry all of them, write anything you want, write that waiting concern me. But say na she carry my picture and not do anything, me with I not get worried. Carry my picture come out for social media. Oh wahala. For now till 48 hours. I go pray for her. Now prayer. And also I go kill her, and also I go do anything, but I say I go pray for her. He say the same. Drug dealer. No be Austrian passport you carry. Even the drug dealer, I still got the Austrian passport. You did make man say you get buildings for abroad. Where you for how many you get? If I sell you my properties for home, you know, you go surprise over just these few years. Now this guy they do all these things. Go my farm and everything. You dey here, dey Europe. If anything happen today now, they carry you deport for home. You go the squat with your family, you know the shame. Just imagine you go Nigeria now, hotel you go to stay. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You say you make the whole money. My friend, go sleep, Jare. Don't get your time. So don't disturb my sleep.
Hell, maybe your shame they shame me. See, suppose they cover your face on social media. That your horror face.
Bye bye for now.
That your face, down.